So this is Golspie, great little town just up the road from Brura on the A9 in the North Sea. Looks calm as you like. Motorhome behind us is like an all-terrain one. Sorry for the jolty camera angle. Sam's on my wrist and he's bouncing about. Yes, that's an all-terrain one. That looks pretty cool actually. I think I might need to get one of those. Maybe not today. That's what we're going to be climbing. Mrs. G's desperately trying to find a local that'll tell us a reason not to. So you ready for this, Sam? We're going right up to that monument. We're going up Ben Braggy to the Duke of Sutherland Memorial. And this is the monument that his missus got. Not quite so impressive. A little shepherd's hut. Shepherds are pretty small around here. So halfway up Ben Braggy. Fortunately I had a smoke, so that's making it a lot easier. Not. And that's the view.
Just gonna have a relax.
Ground levels off here. Small incline, but easier. Sammy thinks nothing of it. Black cat spotted around here. I think you'll be their lunch, Sam. Through there then, I think, Samalute. Well, we've reached what looks to be a road, which must be passing halfway up Ben Braggy. At least that's what I'm trying to tell myself. And over behind me there is a signpost for another massive hill walk. Onwards and upwards. Oh, that's really pretty. I guess those are the initials of some of the men that were lost. Mrs. G making her way up in the background there. We've got about another 600 metres to go. How to video and I've had Sammy Chew yanking on your arm. At last, the Duke of Sutherland, son of a bitch. Even the Sammy Chew is puffing.
When you get to the monument,
Yeah.
Sam.
It's easy for you, isn't it, Sam? I'm guessing that's not a monument. One more stretch. One more stretch. Sam. Well, at least you're puffing. I feel better. I see a little bobbing head. She's looking calm, but inside she's calling the Duke of Sutherland a bastard. Why she bought all those bags, I've no idea. $365. And a shout out to Mrs. G, because I was finding it hard and Sammy was puffing, and for her to get to the top was a pretty monumental effort, especially that last picture that shows that as the clouds came in, that was above the clouds. That was yeah, definitely hard work. So I think we'll sleep well tonight. That's one of the bends on the mountain bike track called Monumental. I think if I had my rally grifter here, I'd probably give it a go. Yellow gear. It's a lot easier going downhill, Sam, isn't it? Well, if you want to take some of it home, you can carry it.
No, not that way.
Getting attacked by a bee.
No. No, this way.
All the different colours in that rock. I was a geologist, I'd know what that meant. Maybe someone can let me know. What are you going to do, Sam?
This way. Come on.
Back this way? Come on, you can get that bit. Halfway down. 1 mile left of the 4-mile walk downhill from Ben Briggy. Wow, to think we just climbed that. So these are ants' nests, or termites I guess it could be.
Yeah.
Powder on them to kill them off. Must be some big old ants in Scotland. Under the railway bridge, Sam, which is all the proof you need. I couldn't have driven the van up there. Finally, the holy grail that is the A9. There you go, Commander Jones, Goldsby. Needed that, didn't you, bub? So here we are at Brora Caravan and Motorhome and Club site. There's all the facilities you'd expect from that brand. Mrs G's just gone to try the shower, so we'll see if that's as good as the Ballata showers. And what a difference a day makes. Yesterday was like Caribbean. Beautiful blue skies, walking golden beaches, and today, well, this afternoon anyway, it's just dark, grey and damp, which is, I think, maybe the worst day we've had in 2 weeks. So, and they say it's grim up north, I think it's doing well not to be, or trying not to be. So yeah, so this morning we climbed Ben Briggy. That was an experience. Motorhome in life, I mean, it is everything you'd hope it would be, you know. Just get in your van and disappear and go and be off grid, or, you know, come to one of these campsites, but just be on a travel and an adventure, and every day is full of stuff to do. Like even today, we were planning just to have a day relaxing at the campsite. Obviously the weather hasn't helped with that, but before we knew it this morning, we, you know, made plans to go down to Goldsby and walk up Ben Briggy. So there's always something you want to do, because you get into that sort of active mindset, which is which Sammy's loving, because although he's laid out on the settee back here, conked out. So the food while we've been in Brora and Goldsby, well, last night we had Sid Spice Indian, which our guidebook told us was the best Indian in Scotland, and it was good. It was good. I wouldn't say it was the best Indian in Great Britain, but it was good. I had a mixed naga, which seems to be a thing up here, like special fried rice, where they put chicken, lamb, beef, prawns all in the one dish, and you have a mixed naga. So I thought I'd give that a go. And then today for lunch we went to the Trawler Man in Golspie, which is a fish and chip shop, and got a bag of chips and 4 buttered rolls. The rolls ended up being burger buns with sesame seeds, which I had no idea when I ordered them. But we were so hungry, I don't think we cared in the end. But the chips were really good, so I'd recommend that, the Trawlerman, if you're in Golspie. I'd recommend doing the Banbriggy walk, but definitely take proper provisions with you, something to eat, water, because it is a hard slog up that hill. It took us a good 2 hours, maybe 3, to get up there. There's an easier path, which is the path we took back, which circles around, but then of course that's longer, and that's about, I'd say, 4 to 5 miles from Summit into Golspie. But then the ice cream at the end at Capaldi's, which seems to be a chain of ice cream shops in this area. The ice cream is made with Highlands milk, and it is absolutely lovely. And as you saw, Sammy enjoyed these.